good morning everyone. Namaste. So today we're going to be starting with this question. Tan alpha is equal to m by m plus 1 and tan beta is equal to 1 by 2m plus 1 where alpha and beta are acute angles. Prove that alpha plus beta is pi by 4. Right? So whenever you see something like this now, without any sort of sine, tan, cos, anything in front of it, whatever is given in the question, since tan and tan is given, with tan ही बोलती हूँ. So if their owners is not given, their owners is who? Tan. If tan is not there, इसके मतलब last few steps में you have to show that tan alpha plus beta is equal to tan pi by 4. And then tan और tan हटा दो, you will get alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4. And this is what you need to prove. ऐसा करना है. Okay, this is your goal, this is your aim. Last few steps ये करना है. Okay, चलो let's solve this together. Okay, let's pick a different ink and we're ready to go. Okay, so first of all we can say that, okay, let's write tan alpha plus beta is equal to what? Tan alpha plus beta is tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. Okay, this, if we have to break it up, we'll have to get m by m plus 1 plus 1 by 2m plus 1, which is substituting from what's given in the question. Okay, this by 1 minus m by m plus 1 into 1 by 2m plus 1. Okay, this. Next, what we have to do, let's simplify this. Okay, further, let's go थोड़ा और नीचे चलो. यहाँ पे. Okay, so here we can write कि if we take LCM, we can write m plus 1 2m plus 1. I'm talking about this. Okay, यहाँ की LCM. So ऊपर what it's gonna be? It's gonna be m into 2m plus 1 plus 1 into m plus 1. Right? ऐसा. Now I'm putting this wala big wala thing. ऐसा. Okay. So we got 1 minus. Now इसका multiplication करें. We will get m plus 1 into 2m plus 1. Okay, and ऊपर we have to write m into 1 is m, है ना, ऐसे. Now what to do, now let's simplify further. Okay, और क्या करें? So we have to do, okay, let's break the ऊपर वाला more. 2m square plus m plus 1, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Okay, next we have by m plus 1 2m minus 1. देखो, I'm doing this for a reason. Why I'm not simplifying this? There is a reason. Because देखो, यहाँ पे also the same thing is there. यहाँ पे also there is this. There is a chance for cutting it. And I love cutting. You know my love for cutting. So, that's why we are not going to be simplifying that. Okay? अब देखो, we can write this as m plus 1 into 2m plus 1. ऊपर, यहाँ पे I'm doing LCM. Okay? 1 के I'm writing like this. Minus m by into 2m plus 1. अब देखो, before cutting, I'm going to resist my love for cutting, and now I'm going to be showing you why I'm going to be cutting. Okay, let's bring everything under एक division sign में. Okay, so we can write it as, देखो, in this case, this thing will go यहाँ पे, this cheese will go यहाँ पे. Okay, so we can write this as 2m square. एक काम करो, you make this as 2m, right? This and this. Okay, plus 1. This into क्या है? m plus 1 into 2m plus 1. Okay, and नीचे वाला thing you can write it as m plus 1 2m plus 1. Okay, and then you write एक बड़ा वाला bracket में you put, और do one thing, इसको जो है ना, this thing मैं दिखा रही हूँ ऐसा, this thing you simplify करो. Okay, 2m square, right? 2m square plus m plus 2m plus 1. Okay, minus m एक बार में कर लो. Okay, you'll be able to do it. अब देखो, oh my favorite thing, cutting, cut this, cut. It's just so satisfying to cut. Okay, लो, 2m square plus 2m plus 1. Okay, अब देखो, you do one thing. देखो, यहाँ पे ये वाला कट करो, ये वाला कट करो, खचाक हो गया. Nice. 2m square plus 2m plus 1. Now one last final touch. Cut. Woo, we got answer 1. अब देखो, tell me one thing. What does tan theta and 1, what do these things, do they have something itchy? What do you think will be the value for theta if tan theta is equal to 1? Theta will be 45 degrees. Now 45 degrees is what basically, you tell me? 45 degrees is basically, it is pi by 4, isn't it? Remember, pi is 180 degree. 180 degree by 4 is what? 45, right? So this thing basically I can write it as tan pi by 4. Are you understanding? अब देखो my next step. So basically last में you can just write, we have proved that tan alpha plus beta, how am I getting this? यहाँ से देखो, this thing is equal to, last में what we got? 1 na? Tan pi by 4. We have got that. Now देखो, you can get rid of this, therefore we can prove that alpha plus beta, we'll get rid of that bracket, वो इसका ज़रूरत नहीं है, alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4, hence proved. Okay, so this is how you're supposed to solve this question. I hope you had fun. Goodbye.